first of all, Gary, if you play as a right-footed on the left side, and he did really well to adapt to this position. One more, it's not easy to play your whole life on the right side, and then you play the next one on the left. So big compliment for that, and also for Lorenz. As you said, he did a really early yellow card. Of course, as a coach, you have some thoughts about maybe to react, but he did really well. He defended really well till the end. Was really disciplined on a position that he's not used to play, and also with the early yellow card against a really good opposition. So I think. For the whole team, it's always a team effort to help them as well, but also them to a really good performance on, let's say, for the moment, unusual positions. But I think if you would look the game from the outside as a viewer who didn't knew that, you would know that these guys will not play on this position, no? And I think this is a big compliment.